finished product supposed to look like. So let's get into the video. So obviously all of you guys probably have the same issue I have. This is a 2-inch bar. So I have 2-inch weights and lots of them. But unfortunately, all I had in my possession is a 1-inch bar, which I'm going to show you now. So this is obviously the 1-inch bar. Doesn't fit the 2-inch Olympic bars. Super frustrating. And if like me, you've been trying to order a bar, and because of quarantine, the prices are so high. As you can see, I have lots of standard equipment, but more Olympic weight equipment. So here's an aluminum bar that I bought on eBay for 10 bucks. Here's the 1-inch bar, so I'm just measuring them up to make sure it's a reasonable size. So you can see I'm marking it here compared to the original. I am putting a little more room because my hands are pretty big, so I wanted to allow a little bit more grip in the center there, so you can see why it's a little bit off-centered. Total size 15 inches there. Also mark the holes that I'll be drilling. You can see that second line there is a little bit off to the right, because like I said, I wanted to make the grip a little larger. So if you center it, should be decent on both sides, pretty even. Again, not trying to make a perfect item. So again, have it in a grip, get a drill bit, put a screw there with some nuts, go ahead and drill into the aluminum. Again, you can make this metal if you want. If you really want to put some serious weight, or you need to make a bench bar. This is purely going to be for curling. Insert the screws there with the nut on the top as well as a nut on the bottom to keep it from moving. You can see double nuts on the bottom. So I completed both of them. Here's a 2.5 pound Olympic weight. See how it slides in pretty easy there. I had some grip tape just to make it look better, just to give you a little more grip. So I'm just taking it off here, as you can see. Actually help your forearm because it's a much bigger grip in the center as well, so you get a double workout there. And that's what the finished product looks like. I had some end grips. Suggest you buy some of those so the weight doesn't slip off. You can see there's the finished product. Got some 10-pound weights, some grip tape in the middle there. Again, cost me about 10 bucks, and I could take advantage of all the Olympic weights I have. I could literally put 45s on there if I wanted to. I wouldn't suggest it because it's aluminum. As you can see, a nice dumbbell for about $10.50. So, thanks for watching.